Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to continue with if-else statements. And today we're going to do a really interesting program, and also it's kind of it has many steps included, but as I told you, you just need to use your logic, and that's what we're going to do today. So here is my class which I already created with greatest numbers. So in this program we are going to be comparing three numbers and find which one is the greatest. So I'm just writing it like that. We will have to find which one is the greatest. Okay, so let's begin. So first class, let us name this it as greatest number. Now I'll just start with this void main. Let me input three numbers. Now so okay, let's put the if statement. So now if A is greater than B and it is also greater than C, only then it will be greatest. So it's just like it's just like obvious that if A is greater than B as well as C, then it is the greatest. And to represent that, we will do it like this. If A is greater than B and A is greater than C. One mistake we usually do is we do it like this. This is wrong because this is actually representing that A is greater than B and B is greater than C. So that is completely wrong. You will have to add the and signs and do it like this. If A is greater than B and A is greater than C. So like this how we do it. So now we'll enter a statement as system.out.println, and we'll just write before that we can write A plus, so we can just write is with a space is the greatest number and just close it, and we're done. Now now here, as we won't have to make we have three numbers, so for each of them we will do the same thing, and we will have to enter three if statements. And we actually this program can be done in many ways, so I'm going to tell you all the ways in which we can do this program. So first method is this one, which I'm doing right now. Now we'll write for B. So it's gonna be like this. Remember, if your variable is in uppercase, then it has to be in uppercase. It cannot be in lowercase, and vice versa. So just keep in mind that, like I did just now, I wrote that B by mistake in the uppercase, which will make it wrong, and there will be an error shown by the computer, or the compiler. So we'll do one more statement for C, where we'll write if C and here just one more mistake, C and A would come. Here one more thing, you can add maybe A first and then C at last, or you can just interchange it like this. So it's just your choice. Okay, now C, we can write like this, or we can do it vice versa, so it's your choice. Now system.out.println. So C is basically, you can write it like this, number. Okay, now we are completed with this program basically, and now let's compile it. So as you can see, there are no syntax errors. So here we have added three if statements, but we can do it in one more method, which is quite it's kind of much like it takes less time. We can add two if statements with one else statement, which is also correct. We can do it like this, and we can just write is the greatest number. So we can do it in both the ways. It's just same, and it will be right. So as while I compile it, and there are no syntax errors, the output will definitely be the same. So these are the two methods in which you can do it. So okay, now one more thing I would like to tell you that you can add curly braces for the if after the if statement, and complete it like this. This program can also be done like this. Not only this program, all the programs in BlueJ, the if else programs can be done like this. When you start the if statement, put a curly braces, after the statement down a curly braces, and like this. The same with the else, but just make sure that all the curly braces are completed, so no syntax errors. Okay, or you cannot add. And now the basic difference is this, that in the if you do it in the compiler, if you do not add any curly braces, then it won't show any errors. Like I did yesterday, earlier, it didn't show any errors. Also, if I add it, then also it will not show any errors. But it may happen that your teacher or sir can maybe mark it as wrong because you haven't added that brace. So yeah, just practice adding the braces because it's kind of very handy. Okay, so we'll compile it, close it, right click, oh just a minute, right click, and oh, we haven't compiled it. Yeah, now new greatest numbers, greatest one, and void main. Now let's enter the numbers 20, 30, 10. So we have 30 as the greatest. So 30 is the greatest number. Now you see, it just works like magic because you know what you have done here. So it's just like so simple. It's very simple. Okay, so I hope you understood this program. This is it for the video. We'll move on to the next program with OR statements in the next video. So thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Bye.